Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the common issue of the Roblox installer not working. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, and if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing for more. Now, let's tackle this problem together. Our first solution involves a few simple steps. For the initial step, open your browser. Click the three dots in the upper right corner. Go to Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security. Click on Third-Party Cookies. And then, select All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type Roblox and clear Roblox cache files. Moving on to the second step, open the Run dialog by searching for it. Then, type %local app data % and click OK. Locate the temp folder. Find and delete the Roblox folder. Go back to local and delete the Roblox folder there. That completes the second step. Now, for the third step, open Roblox from your browser, log in, and click on any game, then play. Cancel the play. Click Download and install Roblox. Run the installer. And make sure to right-click Roblox Player. Go to Properties. Navigate to Compatibility. And click Disable Full Screen Optimization. And run this program as an admin. Apply the changes and click OK. If the first solution didn't work, let's move on to the second one. Right-click on Roblox Player, open File Location, and if the shortcut appears, open the file location again. Double-click on Roblox Player Launcher to perform a small installation process. After that, you can open any game and check if the problem is resolved. If the solutions help you, show some love by liking the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.